Good day everybody, welcome once again. I'm going to share a tool with you that you can easily use to build a Python GUI by simply doing a drag and drop. And the name of the tool is PyUI Builder. So what the tool actually allows you to do is for you to actually do a simple drag and drop, and then you can actually work with it. And then you have your export, and you can easily export your code. And then this is the code area. So as you can see, and then you can actually work with it. So let's say you have let's say you're trying to do a map. So this is a map. So you can easily just drag and drop a map, and then let's say upload a file. Okay, this is the okay. You can actually upload the file here, and let's say text area. Okay, they have a lot of things that you can actually do. They also have their premium version. So the premium version actually allows you to do so many other things. So they say that you need to support the production of some features. So you need a license key. So you can actually contact support and now get a license key. So they have some templates. These another templates. Okay, some of the templates are actually in a pro version mode. They are code editor, and then you can easily join their Discord. Then this a plugin, this is another one, and template, widgets. Okay, these are some of the widgets. We have a slide, we have options, so you can easily drag and drop options. I want to see this. Okay, and you can add more options and then work with it. So these are actually a great way for you to do a simple drag and drop and then build your own GUI and then work with it. It's a very nice tool, and even though you have some premium aspect of it, but you can easily try it out and see how you can work with it. So and this is all I have for you for now. So if you have any question, please ask it on the comment section below, and I'm going to get back to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you once again, and God bless you.